Hey everyone, have you heard about the recent Microsoft server crashes and the Windows blue screen errors plaguing users worldwide? The infamous KB50359442 update has left many computers in a state of constant crashing. Whether you're a gamer, a professional, or just browsing, these unexpected crashes can be frustrating and disruptive. Welcome back to HighTech, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we're diving into the top 5 reasons why you might be seeing the blue screen of death on your Windows computer, and more importantly, how you can fix them. You won't believe some of the causes I found, so make sure to watch till the end. Segment 1, Recent Update Issues. First on our list is something that's caught a lot of people off guard recently. Did you know that a simple update like the infamous KB50359442 can crash your system? If you've installed this update and your computer's been acting up, you might need to roll it back. Here's how. 1. Go to Settings. Burn. 2. Navigate to Update Security. 3. Click on View Update History. 4. Select Uninstall Updates and remove KB50359442. This quick fix might save your day. Segment 2. Driver Incompatibilities. Next, let's talk about drivers. Think of them as the translators between your hardware and software. If they're not updated, it's like trying to read a book in a foreign language. Here's how to ensure your drivers are up to date. 1. Open Device Manager by right-clicking on the Start button. 2. Look for any devices with a yellow exclamation mark. 3. Right-click the device and select Update Driver. Keep those drivers updated to avoid unexpected crashes. Segment 3. Hardware Conflicts. Imagine this: you've just installed a new piece of hardware and then BSOD. Hardware conflicts can be tricky, but here's a simple way to check if your hardware is the culprit. 1. Run the built-in Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. 2. Check for hard drive errors using chkdsk. Replacing faulty hardware might be necessary, but at least you'll know what's wrong. Segment 4. System Overheating. Overheating can turn your computer into a ticking time bomb. Here's how to keep it cool and running smoothly. 1. Ensure proper ventilation around your computer. 2. Clean dust from fans and vents regularly. 3. Consider using additional cooling solutions like external fans or cooling pads. Simple maintenance can prevent a lot of headaches. Segment 5. Software Conflicts and Malware. Lastly, software conflicts and malware can wreak havoc on your system. Protect your computer by doing this. 1. Run a full system scan with your antivirus software. 2. Uninstall any recently added software that might be causing conflicts. 3. Use Windows Defender offline for a thorough malware scan. Keeping your system clean from malware is crucial. And there you have it. 5 common causes of Windows blue screen errors and how to fix them. Did you find any of these tips helpful? If so, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to HighTech for more awesome tech tips. Also, join our Telegram group for an exclusive free Canva Pro invite link. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.